Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find sounds and vibration. Now let's scroll down to find the phone ringtone section and tap on phone ringtone. Of course, give all the permissions, and as you can see, it is divided between two different SIM cards, which means that you can set totally different ringtone for the first and different ringtone for the second SIM card. So right here, you've got pre-installed options from which we can choose. At the bottom of the list, you've got the option None, which means that after choosing it, your device will not use any sound to notify about the incoming call. And right here, you've got music on device and video ringtones, so you can basically choose something from the internal storage of your device. If you've got something, for example, downloaded, it will appear right there. So in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, you have to simply tap on it. So for example, this one, and it's too loud. So basically this is how it works. Just tap on it and decide whether you like it or not. And after deciding, let's pretend I want the sonar option to be applied. Make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.